Many great businesses have started in the garage, and a lot of good businesses starts in the garage because they are taking things in a slow tempo and doing things properly, testing out things properly. And what we're doing here is we are growing food in our garage. We're growing edible flowers, we're growing leafy greens and some herbs. Here we have some very, very awesome basil full of flavor. We have some red pak choi here, some black cabbage. We have some edible flowers here, some tagetes, some herbs. This video series is about starting this and making this into a commercial business. So we got the idea of setting up a commercial vertical farm using these NFT systems. And we thought that why not incorporate you in the process? You can follow the journey 1 week after another. So it's gonna be like a small TV series, kind of YouTube series about us growing from the garage, finding good products to grow, and then expanding this into a container solution that we will be growing herbs, edible flowers, leafy greens for the hospitality industry, for restaurants, for retailers. You will be taken on this journey together with us, and each week we will make a new video and show you the process. We already have the container. It's being refitted as we speak. We just got the electricity in order. And the idea is that we will take what we learn in here in this setup in the garage and do a lot of research in here, because here it's okay to fail. Here we can test, we can fail, we can skip things, we can figure what works, and then we can scale it up. That's the idea. Right now we have already some flowers popping up. We have a flower here. We have another flower, it's hiding from you here. And we have a lot of flower heads. We got some more edible flowers down here. And we've even tested some herbs without any grow medium. We're testing a lot of different awesome stuff in here. So we will be putting this into a container. In the container, we will show you what we grow in there. We will show you what we do, and then you will be part of the process. And what we will do is we will also make these container solutions. So if you are out there in the world somewhere away from Scandinavia or where you are, we will be able to make containers with this solution, with all these lessons that we learned in the garage here. You can buy the container when we get to that point. We are not there yet. We should just have an awesome journey before this happens. We will make our own container, test it ourselves, and then we will start selling these containers. And we will show everything on YouTube. So subscribe to the channel if you're not already and press the notification bell, so you will get a notification every week when we come out with a new video of how it goes with the Grow series here, what we are doing. I hope you enjoy the content. Now I just want to take you on a little tour of the system here, so you can see the progress. Up here we have some cornflower. It did not work out the way I wanted to because it's stretching way too much. We would rather have some smaller herbs or flowers like this that fills out this space but not steals the other places from the other herbs and flowers. So yeah, we are in the process of testing a lot of different stuff here. Got some flowers here. This is pretty awesome. And just want to show you over here. This is really nice. Just look how much it grew since last week. Just look at all that growth. And we have some really nice calendula flowers on the way. What's awesome about the calendula is that it makes flowers, but it also pushes out new bulbs all the time. So there's so many bulbs on the way as well. And I really like the growth of that one. Then we have here hiding in the back some pak choi. I think we had this in last week as well. And we moved our toothache plants down here. They produce flowers and they're really stretching so much. So I wanted to put them down there. They could stretch down there and not steal any light from the others. So you can see what I mean here. This is the toothache as well. It's really stretching down, so it's stealing all the light from this little calendula here. And it's really not happy because of it. But yeah, that's what's up in the garage. what's happening right now, I'll show you this one here. This is also pretty nice. This is the calendula, really nice flowers. Awesome, has really nice smell, and I think restaurants will really love that one. So that's how it goes so far. I'm happy and thankful for you watching the journey. Follow along and see what happens. If you're interested in this setup here, you can find all the equipment on Nordic Hydro. It's a bit expensive to ship around Europe. It's about 200 or 250 euros to ship. But as soon as you have it, you can just set it up in your garage and start growing. And hopefully grow some leafy greens, some herbs, some edible flowers, and make a lot of tests yourself. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.